Attention, attention! Are you on the lookout for a brand new Toyota LandCruiser Prado? According to a recent rumor, the 2024 Toyota LandCruiser Prado may be introduced the next year with updated hybrid powertrains in addition to the potential of a turbo diesel V6 engine, and this is now it to touch the perfection. Toyota's been hustling for a long time, and to make its game stronger than ever, it has put a lot of effort, which has even shocked other company CEOs, especially the CEO of Ford. To know the full story, you're at the right place. Here on Tech Addicts, you get all the car world updates first, so let's get started. According to claims that originate in the United States and reference company insiders, the all-new 2024 Toyota LandCruiser Prado will not include a diesel engine, at least not in certain areas. Instead, it will be equipped with the power of a gasoline hybrid system. And at this point, we are aware that the engine in issue is the 4-cylinder gasoline hybrid unit from the recently launched Crown, which is the new flagship vehicle for the company and will be available in a variety of body designs. The next generation Prado is rumored to receive the Hybrid Max powertrain, which combines a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an electric motor mounted on the rear axle to produce a combined 253 kilowatts and 542 newton meters of torque. While the US spec Crown offers several different engine configurations, the Hybrid Max is reportedly the one that will be used for the next generation Prado. In Crown form, this translates to nimble and speedy all-wheel drive grip and performance. But a rear-mounted electric powertrain would also be compatible with the Prado's requirements for 4-wheel drive. That is far more power and torque than what is currently available in the Prado, which is powered by a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine that generates 150 kilowatts and 500 newton meters of torque. When Toyota first introduced the Crown, the company touted its brand new performance hybrid as the Hybrid Max. It combines electric motors in the front and the back with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine and a straight-shift 6-speed automatic transmission. The Hybrid Max delivers tremendous torque at low RPM for driving that is both sporty and enjoyable. It has been reported that the model may go on sale in the United States as soon as the end of this year. Nevertheless, the release is commonly anticipated to take place in 2024. The proposal would probably have the backing of Toyota in Australia, who confirmed to sources in the previous year that an electrified version of the Prado is on the way, and sooner rather than later. Toyota has established an ambitious strategy where we want to have some type of electrification across all of our models in Australia by 2030, Sean Hanley, the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Toyota Australia, said. The only cars that will not have electrification are the GR Performance versions. As we move closer to that point, it only makes sense that the LandCruiser, the Prado, and the Hilux, along with other commercial vehicles, are going to be required to embrace some form of electrification. Also, when we say by 2030, I don't want people to take it to mean anywhere between the years of 29 and 2030. Along the road to 2030, we'll start making preparations for such things. The rate at which electrification's gaining momentum in this sector is really apparent right now. We can see it. And as a flexible and adaptive firm, we need to be able to meet those expectations. According to the Japanese newspaper Best Car, which is well known for being an avenue for leaks on future product plans from Toyota, the next generation LandCruiser Prado is scheduled to be unveiled to the rest of the globe between the months of July and September in 2023. A hybrid version of the 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine is found in the current model of the Prado, rumored to be in the works for the next generation of the vehicle. Additionally, a 2.4 or 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine, also with hybrid technology and possibly turbocharged, is rumored to be in the works for the Prado. Toyota has not yet commented on these rumors or plans. According to sources from August in 2021, the Prado, the Hilux, and the Hi-Ace will all share the same 2.5-liter diesel-electric hybrid powertrain. According to a second story that was published by Best Car earlier this month, the Prado would be equipped with a 3.3-liter turbo diesel V6 engine that is found in the LandCruiser 300 series. This might be a reaction to the new Ford Everest V6 or possibly China's GWM Tank 500. Even if a lower-tuned version of the V6 would help separate the Prado from its bigger LandCruiser brother, the article clearly cites the power output as 227 kilowatts, which is the exact same amount found in the 300 series. In the past, in order to give greater contrast between the two Land Cruiser models, the Prado was often sold with engines that were smaller than those found in the range-topping Land Cruiser. More recently, these engines were taken from the Hilux Ute line. Best Car and another story from the Japanese website Creative Trend both imply that the next generation Prado will be built on a new version of the Toyota New Worldwide Architecture, or TNGA, which is the company's global vehicle architecture. According to Creative Trend, the chassis that will support the Prado will share components with the present LandCruiser 300 series and, oddly enough, the Hilux that is still in production despite being 7 years old. Recently, Toyota released a new model of the Hilux Rogue, which included four-wheel drive disc brakes, revised suspension, and wider axles for a larger tire footprint. All of these components have the potential to be employed for the next generation Ute, or may be adopted by the Prado. Despite this, Best Car asserts that the next Prado would keep the same width as the existing 150 series model, which measures 1,885 millimeters. In addition, Creative Trend has started referring to the new Prado as the 180 series, even though this name is not yet officially verified. Well, your individual needs, financial constraints, and driving habits will guide you toward the hybrid vehicle that's the best fit for you. As the car world is changing, you need to get your stand about which one's the perfect EV for you. As more and more hybrid vehicles are being produced by virtually every manufacturer, it might be difficult to decide which one of these vehicles would be the best option for your next vehicle purchase. We are here to offer you all the information that you need to make a decision that's best for you, and we'll do it in a timely manner. Let's understand the basic distinctions that exist between mild hybrid vehicles, full hybrid vehicles, and plug-in hybrid automobiles, so that it gets easier for you to decide which suits you the best. What exactly is a mild hybrid electric vehicle, or MHEV? When accelerating, the combustion engine in a mild hybrid vehicle is assisted by an electric motor, which results in a reduction in fuel consumption. You just put some gas in the tank and you're good to go, just like any other typical car. The help provided by an electric motor decreases the amount of work that the combustion engine is required to do, resulting in an improvement in the vehicle's overall fuel efficiency as well as an increase in acceleration. You wouldn't be able to tell that the automobile you were driving was a hybrid if you didn't know about the technology that was installed in it. The driving experience of mild hybrid vehicles is identical to that of ordinary gasoline or diesel-powered automobiles. In fact, mild hybrids can even be purchased with a standard transmission. What exactly is a full hybrid automobile, often known as an HEV? Full hybrid vehicles are able to drive relatively short distances using solely their electric motors when necessary. Again, you just fill up the tank as you would with any other standard car, and you're good to go. The hybrid system will shut the engine on and off automatically as needed, lowering the amount of fuel you use when it's not absolutely necessary and increasing it when it is. In order to conserve gasoline, the conventional internal combustion engine will shut down when the vehicle is stopped, and it will continue to operate only on electric power. When you apply significant forward force, the gasoline engine, or diesel, depending on the make and model of your vehicle, will automatically restart to provide you with the necessary amount of power. The entire driving range of a full hybrid is equivalent to that of a comparable gasoline or diesel-powered vehicle. And now, what exactly is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, or PHEV? Plug-in hybrids operate in a manner that is analogous to that of full hybrids. However, they are capable of traveling far further on electric power alone, anywhere from 15 to 50 miles depending on the model. After the electric range of the car has been depleted, the vehicle will then act as a complete hybrid, with the gasoline or diesel engine taking over and cutting in and out as necessary. The concept behind plug-in hybrid vehicles is that the majority of drivers will be able to charge their batteries at the end of each day and finish their trip using just electric power, therefore saving money and gasoline. Because the gas or diesel engine may be combined with the electric motor, the overall range of the vehicle can be made to be equivalent to that of a standard gasoline or diesel vehicle. This allows the vehicle to be used when drivers need to go further afield. Because of this, there is no such thing as range anxiety, which is a feeling that some people get while driving an all-electric vehicle. Moving forward, this is all for today's video. If you still have not joined our Tech Addict fam, please do subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.